Now, I do believe this is the last part of this little trip on the drive-in to the animal kingdom.
Okay. Let go! Come on, bring it in.
It's my own carrot.
Jaden, put it over there. Here.
Oh,
whoa, guys! I got licked!
He ate my carrot. He's eating carrots. They eat your carrots.
Where's your carrots at, bud?
Well, they should have it on both sides, but they don't.
Come on, lean back down here, dang it.
Wait a minute.
Are they done? I think he's processing what he's already got. That was great. His tongue's so huge.
Pretty good picture of his face.
I have a freaking good video of his face licking you.
Huh?
Gage's carrots. I don't think
right
he
there on
wants
the seat.
anymore. We just gave
Yeah, we know.
a bunch of ones.
I can't find him. Where's he at now?
Hey, coming back down.
Come back.
I got licked.
Yeah, he's gonna lick you.
Ew, I don't want to get licked.
No, I'm the one that can get licked.
Then you can, that's the animal you want.
He uses his tongue.
Yeah, because I was cooking things. That's my love.
He loves these carrots.
I just got to pet a giraffe.
I can't get a good picture of him.
I did, honey. I did.
I have perfect video of him.
Someone's got to send me.
As soon as he comes back
Drop my phone.
Oh, God. Don't just that. I need to get this set down.
Jack lost his spoon right there beside your feet.
Mine?
Yes.
Oh, Jesus. Whoa. Here.
I found it.
You got a close up, baby.
I can't get it though.
There you go.
Can't get my phone.
Hang on. Where did it go down?
Right there. You're missing it. It's right there.
That is a beautiful giraffe.
Got it.
Thank you.
Hey.
See you in the next giraffe.
Oh, I missed all that video.
Did you get one? Okay, this is the end of it. How many carrots are
We're almost done.
Bye.
I'm on 50.
Yeah, we're just going to throw them in here so they can have them.
Throw them in it.
Not the bag. Not the bag, the carrots.
We're just gonna throw the carrots.
Just throw them in.
I can't get over there, Gavin.
See, a lot of people
Here.
are just throwing them in because this is the end of it.
Let's blow the carrots out.
Yeah,
Ow!
Get all the carrots.
there's a lot. Okay, how many more you got?
I'm fine.
Man, I got like 5 out of 6. 5. Excuse the inconvenience of me dropping my phone. Hey, someone want to throw my carrots?
Yeah, how many you got there?
5.
Okay.
And here comes his
They
third.
definitely won't be hungry.
Hey.
I still have 2 more.
That's about all this trip.
They won't come to you.
I think we're done.
Okay, all the carrots
Oh,
done?
yes. Oh, Mom got smacked.
For real?